Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bloons TD6 on a school computer. First, it's important to understand your school's internet usage policies. Many schools block gaming websites and applications to maintain focus on education. You'll need to identify if the game is blocked by the network firewall or content filters. Sometimes, games might even be available through a school-approved platform, so always check there first. To bypass network blocks, one common method is using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it harder for school networks to detect and block your activity. Another option is to explore browser-based proxy websites, which route your connection through a different server. Additionally, some games offer portable versions that don't require installation, which can sometimes run directly from a USB drive. Cloud gaming services can be a great alternative, as they stream the game directly to your browser, bypassing local installation needs. You might also find browser-based versions or fan-made emulations of Bloons TD6 that are accessible without downloads. Remember, it's crucial to prioritize your schoolwork and use these methods responsibly. Always be mindful of your school's rules and ensure your actions don't disrupt the learning environment. To optimize your gameplay experience, ensure your school computer has sufficient processing power and memory. Closing unnecessary applications will free up valuable system resources, leading to smoother performance. Remember to play during designated free time, such as lunch breaks or after school, to avoid disrupting your studies. Always be respectful of school property and network resources. Enjoy your Bloons TD6 sessions responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.